We've started operations with a wealth of measures to keep our passengers safe. Not only on board, where we are distributing kits with all the necessary things that you need these days post-corona, so face masks, wet wipes, disinfectant. We also clean our aircraft in deep clean and disinfection cleans at every turnaround. So not only when we come back to our home base in Riga or Tallinn or Vilnius, but also in the outstations. For that we have increased our turn time in the outstations to 1 hour everywhere. And at our home base it's also our minimum. So to ensure that we have a deep clean in all the stations. Together with Riga Airport we have pre-flight checks. So Riga Airport has introduced several measures to keep passengers already safe pre-flight with access restrictions to check-in, for example, temperature controls and so on. So we try to, at every touch point, keep our passengers safe and healthy. When the corona crisis hit us and we had to stop operations, we very quickly re-evaluated the network and the fleet and came also relatively fast to the conclusion to retire the Q400s and the Boeings. The Boeings were the easier part because we had only 4 left and they would have left the fleet anyway towards the end of this year. The Q400s are the more challenging part because we have 12 aircraft that we have now grounded. They have not come back into service on the 18th of May, and that's how we plan the future of the airline as a single type fleet. The benefits are, I think, the evident ones. It's a cost reduction, simplicity. It is giving a better product to our customers because we fly probably the youngest fleet in Europe and one of the greenest fleets in Europe with emission standards that are very, very low. Well, the route development strategy is very much geared around the 3 Baltic states. First and foremost Riga, which is our hub. So the first priority goes to reinstating our hub operations and reinstating the connectivity here in Riga. Equally important is coming back, which we have done very quickly, to Tallinn and to Vilnius with our bases. We are basically putting back our program that we had in Tallinn pre-corona very swiftly towards the end of the year. In Vilnius we actually went a step further and took initial investments that we've not done in a long time in Lithuania. We've opened 4 new routes this summer. And that is basically the network strategy that we currently have. Looking out over the next 2 to 3 years, it will all depend on how much and how fast the traffic will resume and the demand will resume. Our estimates go towards somewhere end of 21, early 22, that we will be at 2019 levels in terms of overall market demand here in the Baltics and to and from the Baltics. But that is very much a moving target, of course. It can be earlier, it can be later. Nobody knows at this stage, but that is what we planned with.